Kolanut plays a very fundamental role in our tradition and culture in the Great Benin Kingdom. It is mostly used for prayers during our festivals. It is used in marriages, ceremonies. It is used also in Igwe festival. It is also used in marriages. It is used for prayers. It is given to those who knows the value of kola nuts. If you know the value of kola nuts, it will be offered to you. There is an adage in the Great Benin Kingdom which says, "No onjieve arieve na," which is kola nut is given to those who knows the value, the honor of a kola nut. It can be served also to our elders, our visitors. When they visit our parents' homes, for example, we serve them kola nuts on a plate, beautiful white plate, with a drink. We honor them with it. We serve it to them as a respect and honor. And they pray with it. Prayers of peace, prayers of progress, long life, good health. Because of the fundamental roles and the high value of kola nuts, we, the Great Benin indigenes from the Great Benin Kingdom, we give kola nuts in a very great respect and honor, and we put kola nuts in a very high esteem because of its honorable values.